Do you know there is an AI software called Lovable AI that lets you create apps and websites just by chatting with AI? Hi everyone, I'm Daniel from Richlin's Computer Solution, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create an educational spelling bee game app using Lovable AI, from searching, signing up, building, fixing bugs, to publishing your game app online. So grab your laptop and let's get started. First, open your favorite browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the search bar, type Lovable AI and hit enter on your keyboard. You'll see several results on the screen. Look for the one that says lovable.dev. That's the official website of Lovable AI. Click on it to open the home page. If you can't find it quickly, you can also type lovable.dev directly into your browser address bar and press enter. Once the website opens, you notice a clean interface with a headline introducing Lovable AI, a platform that helps you create apps just by chatting. At the top right corner, there is a button labeled Get Started. Click on that button. It will redirect you to the login page where you can choose how to sign in. To log in, click Continue with Google. A small window will pop up showing your saved Gmail account. If your Gmail is saved, just click your account. If not, type your Gmail username and password manually, then click Next. After that, you'll be redirected to the Lovable dashboard where you can start creating your app. You are now successfully. Now that we're logged in, let's create our educational game app. In the Lovable AI chat box, type this prompt exactly. Build spelling student-friendly game app for school children in primary to secondary. Test the game app and fix all bugs, then press enter. Lovable AI will begin generating your app instantly. You'll see a loading animation. and in a few seconds, your first version of the Spelling Bee game app will appear on the screen. You can preview the interface. It should display spelling categories and levels, just like a fun school quiz. Now, let's look at how to fix bugs in your newly created game app. Sometimes, the app may show an error message like in this screenshot, or you may notice that images are not displaying correctly like in this one. To fix these issues, go back to the Lovable AI chat box and type fix spelling game app error display issue and ensure all images are visible and properly loaded. Press enter. And Lovable AI will automatically debug your code. After a few seconds, click Preview again. Check to confirm that the app loads without any error messages. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to publish your game app. Click the Publish button at the top of the Lovable interface. Wait for it to process and deploy your app online. After successful publishing, Lovable AI will provide a unique link, something like this. Copy that link. You can now open it in a new browser tab to test the app, and that all game inmates or teachers to let them test the spelling game too. Let's test the app together. Open the copied link in your browser. Try answering a few spelling questions. You see the quiz responds interactively and shows correct or wrong answers instantly. If everything works well, congratulations! You've just created your own educational spelling bee game app using Lovable AI. No coding needed. Now, click the share icon beside your app link. Copy it and paste it on WhatsApp Facebook or email so others can play too. And that's it for today's tutorial. We've learned how to search for Lovable AI on Google, log in and chat with it, create a spelling bee game app. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to Richlink's Computer Solution YouTube channel for more AI and coding tutorials like this. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Daniel from Richlink's Computer Solution. See you in the next